Good afternoon and welcome to I Am Sure Sports. I'm Omar Stennett and we are back again with one more video. Yeah, today I want to do a very special video for my cricketing fans. You know, my cricketing subscribers. Some of you may be very disappointed, but hey, some news is better than no news. And so I want to share with you what transpired in the final test between the West Indies and Pakistan at Sabina Park. It ended earlier today, so I will speak to you about that. But let me just pause to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. This is I Am Sure Sports, and I am Omar Stennett. For real, they call me the Manning's man. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Big thing. You understand me? We want to thank also all our subscribers, all the people who continue to subscribe to the channel. It is just growing and going, trickle by trickle by trickle. Subscribers are coming in, and we really appreciate that as we continue to work to improve our product and the content that we produce. It's absolutely our joy to do that. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. All right, we're working to improve stuff. We only gonna get better. So the second test between West Indies and Pakistan, it was a 2-test series. So both test matches were played at Sabina Park. West Indies did well. In the first game, they could have lost, but I think Pakistan gave it away. And then we had this opportunity to kind of draw the game or win it and win the series too. We ended up losing. And Pakistan, of course, and this understand that almost a day and a half was lost to rain. So really and truly, this was a 3.5 day test match, not a 5 day, because a whole day was lost, and then we have 2 rain interruption outside of that whole day interruption. So it's really 3.5 days. All right, Pakistan batted and made 302 for 9, declaring their first inning, and bowled out the West Indies for 150 runs. Nkuma Bonner scored 37 in the first inning, and 37 runs. Jermaine Blackwood had 33 runs. Shaheen Afridi took 6 for 51, and Muhammad Abbas took 3 for 44. Right, Pakistan top scorer in the first inning was Fawad Alam, who made 124, and Babar Azam made 25. Jaden Seals took 3 for 31 for the West Indies, and Kemar Roach had 3 for 68. In the second inning, Pakistan declared at 176 for 6, right? Setting what I call a gettable total over a little bit over 329 runs to be exact for the West Indies to get in a day, and the final session of the last session of the 4th day of the test. All right. In that inning, Imran Butt scored 37. Babar Azam had 33. Azari Joseph took 2 for 24, and Jason Holler 2 for 27. West Indies second inning batting, atrocious, poor. No tactic. I don't know. And nonetheless, Holder made 47, gave his wicket away. Brathwaite 39, gave his wicket away. Shaheen Afridi 4 for 43, and the spinner Ali took 3 for 52 for Pakistan. As you know by now, the player of the series was Shaheen Afridi from Pakistan, and he was also the player of the match because he had a 10-wicket haul, 6 for 51, and 4 for 43. He also made 19 runs. Now, I don't know, people, talk to me. If you're a cricketing person out there, talk to me. What is wrong with West Indies cricket and these men who are batting? Like Kieran Powell. I don't understand. Guy, basic school cricket, he ran himself out. Guy strolling in, taking a 3rd run with only 3 overs remaining for the day's play to end. And this guy's taking the 3rd run to go on strike because 1 ball for the delivery for the over to be over. He's good. I don't know why. He and the captain is batting. They could have settled for 2. This guy took a 3rd run, didn't slide in his bat, and he went out. All right. No, I'm thinking of sending in Alzari Joseph to come and score runs. Because why you need a night watchman if you're trying to draw the game? So they send in Alzari Joseph, who, I mean, gave his wicket away. Because I'm not sure if he was sent out to try and score quickly or to just defend. So he gets out and Kumabana gets out. Then Ralston Chase, like, he comes out so negative. This man comes out. He's not trying to score. People, the man faced 18 delivery. And the only delivery that he was trying to score a run off is the delivery that got him out. He came out so negative. Like, what is the plan? What is the strategy? Like, I need some people who understand cricket to come into the into the comment section and tell me what the West Indies players and team is doing. These guys got me sweating. Sweating. Though the place is cool. I don't appreciate this kind of performance. We have to do better. And I'm telling you, we need to manage our cricket like how we manage football. When players don't play in football, we take them off unless they are superstars. We have no superstar in our test team. If they have 2 innings and fail, we keep chopping and changing. Because no matter who we lose, no matter who we use, we are going to lose. So keep chopping and changing. Bring in some of the youngsters. These guys have had enough. And we have had enough. I am sure that if we can keep chopping and changing, I am sure we'll find a nugget from our youngsters, from our crop of youngsters. I am sure. Listen, that's it for you today, my cricketing fans. I can't say I didn't do a video for you. So let me know that you want more. Comment on it. Cricket people, let the likes go up on this video. Do you hear me? So I know that I can do more cricket content for you. All right? Thank you so much. Remember, stay safe. Please stay safe. Listen, sanitize. Wear your mask. Social distance. If you have no reservation, go and take the vaccine. If you have reservation, seek advice and then make a wise decision. It's your life and you control it. I am sure. We are out. See you.